Hello, I'm Peter Vaughan, and today I'm at the Yorkshire Motorhome Campervan and Camping Exhibition at Harrogate, and I'm very pleased to see Neuk Campervans back at a show with this, their latest version of the Fifer Touring M. It's a Fiat Ducato medium wheelbase, hence the M, so only 5.41 metres long, and this is the 140 horsepower automatic version, priced at £69,000. So this is a classic rear lounge two-berth campervan, but new this year is the fact that it's gone gas free. So you've got electric cooking, compressor fridge and diesel and electric heating. That's a Truma Combi 6, a 6 kilowatt heater in this little van. The other thing is that this is very much a proven model. Neuk have been building these Fifer Touring M's since about 2010, just gradually evolving the model. And the thing that's different with this company is they do everything in-house, even the water tanks, the upholstery, the curtains, everything they do in-house in their factory in Scotland. So you've got a comfortable seating space and you can fling the back doors open when the weather's great and enjoy the view. But you've also got this raised floor at the back, so extra storage underneath for your outdoor chairs. And there's good storage under these sofas too. Now you can get at that either by lifting the settee bases, and then they've got little stays to hold them up so you can get in there. But you've also got these drop front doors and even doors at the back as well. So really practical access into your storage. And then the bones of the electrical system is this Sterling Power Hardy unit. Now that's got a 3.5 kilowatt inverter as well as a 300 amp hour lithium battery. You've got 150 watts of solar on the roof as well, and it's backed up with an additional 100 amp hour lithium battery. You can even go further than that with another 80 watts of solar on the roof and another lithium battery. You can take it up to 600 amp hours of lithium power. With this extra infill cushion that you store over the cab, you've got a 6'5" long bed on that side, and on this side your feet go underneath the wardrobe for a 6'1" single bed on that side, or you can pull them together and make a double. Then at the front, you've got your kitchen. So you've got 2 induction rings for cooking. You can have a microwave in this locker here, and they're also looking in the future at an air fryer option. You've got access through to the cab, but then with this fold-up panel, additional worktop space, and you've got this space on the other side of the unit too. So plenty of worktop when you're cooking. In the washroom, again, Neuk do everything in-house. So you have this fully moulded shower unit, nothing to leak in the future, complete with a nice fixed basin in the corner. That's a nice sturdy unit. Of course, tap pulls out to become your shower head. You do need a curtain across the door, but otherwise this is a practical enclosed space. Should mention too that underneath this worktop is the latest 85 litre compressor fridge. Now that's a nano compressor, so it's more efficient with a smaller compressor than previously. When you're outside, you've got a main socket there, and also a useful little coffee table that just folds down. And that really sums up this Neuk Fifer Touring M. It's just such a practical little van. Practical size, it's got everything you need, and not a bad price too, at 69 grand, as you see it here with the automatic gearbox, the gas-free with the powerful lithium setup and the solar, all included in the price.